Welcome to Tourist Fashion DIY. Today I'm going to be making a freeform saucer hat like this one. What you will need is some stiffened Sinamay. I'm going to be using this nice silver Sinamay. I've folded that on the bias and that measures folded approximately 16 centimeters, which is almost 6.5 inches. So I'm going to cut this strip off. I do have other videos showing you how to make other fascinators, so please do take a look. Or flowers, loads of DIYs on my channel. I fold it double like this so that it stays the same measurement all throughout. There we go. Then you're going to pull the outer side so it curves nicely. This is really nice Sinamay that is still it's stiffened, but you can still do a lot with it. Like, it's not too stiff, if you know what I mean. And then you're going to gather it. So depending how big you want the pleats, just keep gathering it. So you can put those into place with clips, or you can have your needle thread ready. Just do a tack stitch, a running stitch through it. I'm going to put it in place with clips. It's got these large crocodile clips that can hold it in place. Once you've got your gathers in place, you can start sewing that together. And I sewed it onto a round disc. I think these measure about 12 centimeters wide. So they're the requirements for ascot, at least that you cover 10 centimeters of your scalp, I think, or head. And I've sewn that onto a thin metal hairband. And then to decorate that, I'm going to use these loops. You could obviously decorate it with flowers or feathers or anything you like. To see how I made this loop, which also could be a single fascinator, I've got other videos on that as well. So yeah, if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe so that I can make more, and that I know that you found it useful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below as well. And now I'll show you when it's all sewn together what it looks like on the mannequin. Thanks for watching. Bye.